Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the pound yen, I think it's very clear this is the end of a wave 3. I also think it's very clear this is an ABC correction, probably a wave 4, and probably back up eventually for that wave 5. I still think the 50% is the most likely area for this to end a wave 4 correction. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I think these yen pairs are extremely clearly making a wave A. I also think this is very, very clearly three waves up for an ABC of B, and I would expect eventually for it to go down again for a wave C, which I think the 50% around the 178.29 is the likely area for this to end a wave 4. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I believe the wave A ends here. I believe this first move up is an A. I think this is very clearly an expanding flat for a wave B or just an expanding correction for the wave B. And I think this is now in a wave C, which I think the 123.6 around the 198.45 area is the very likely area for this to end a wave C of wave B. So that's good news for us. Let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, ever since this thing broke structure to the upside last week, at the beginning of last week, if you were doing absolutely nothing but looking for trend trades, at the end of pullbacks, you have probably seen some significant increases in your trading account. We've had some very, very, very nice trend trades in our community lately. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we're looking for three-way pullbacks to go long. There was another beautiful 1-2-3 pattern, Fibonacci belts, engulfing move to the upside to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Anyone that's been trend trading has been very, very happy, really across the board on the yen pairs, dollar pairs, pretty much everything. Looking for 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks has definitely been extremely profitable for trend traders lately. So I definitely wouldn't be going long now. I would be have to be patient. When this finally does make another pullback is exactly where I would be looking to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. The strategy right now is to either be in a trade waiting for an exit, a long trade waiting for an exit, or this trading strategy is to be patiently waiting for another pullback to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.